Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to spot for the latest in crypto news, in-depth analysis, and insights that help you navigate the fast-paced world of blockchain and digital assets. I'm Zaki, and today we're diving into some electrifying news surrounding XRP. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's decode what's happening behind the scenes. Let's jump straight into our headline. Ripple whales have just moved over 167 million XRP. That's a staggering $367 million worth between addresses in the middle of a significant market downturn. Now, you might be wondering what could prompt such a move amid a market crash. Well, there are two sides to this story, and today we'll explore both the cautious whispers and the bullish expectations. Stick around, because the details could shake up your view on XRP's near-term potential. First up, let's break down what exactly happened. A large Ripple whale transferred an enormous volume of XRP, over 167 million tokens, from one address to another. This isn't just a routine shift. It's a bold move happening right now as XRP prices are under heavy selling pressure. To put it into perspective, XRP has lost nearly 5% over the past 24 hours and a jaw-dropping 20% in just the last week, even though daily trading volumes have surged by over 68%. So what does this move really mean? There are two primary interpretations among market watchers. On one hand, optimists see this as a consolidation strategy. They believe that this whale is repositioning its funds in anticipation of future acquisitions, maybe even preparing for a significant market turnaround. On the other hand, the skeptics suggest that such a huge transfer could be a sign of over-the-counter, OTC, trading, where a massive block sale might be discreetly reshuffling positions away from the public markets. Now, while the news might send a shiver down the spine of bearish investors, some experts are looking at the bigger picture with renewed optimism. Take noted crypto analyst Dark Defender, for instance. He's throwing some pretty bullish predictions into the mix. According to him, despite the current slump, XRP has the potential to surge to as high as $333 if it manages to repeat some of the bullish patterns seen during its 2017 run. What's fueling this bullish sentiment? A combination of factors. First, weekly inflows of XRP are outpacing those of both Bitcoin and Ethereum, a trend that's been consistent for the fourth consecutive week. Second, institutional interest in XRP is on the rise, buoyed by announcements like the Crypto Strategic Reserve and some positive signals from the SEC regarding ETF filings. And finally, we're seeing record activity on the blockchain itself. XRP weekly active addresses have hit an all-time high of 1.15 million. All these elements suggest that even if we're in a temporary downturn, the fundamentals for a rally might be quietly building up behind the scenes. Let's now pivot to the technical side of things. Despite the overall bearish trend over the past week, XRP is showing signs that it could be setting the stage for a rebound. In the short term, analysts are eyeing the $3 price point as a key target, but not before it pushes past the immediate resistance level at around $2.70. Think of that level as a psychological barrier. If XRP can break through it, we might see a rush of buyers stepping in, potentially sparking a larger rally. Of course, the chart isn't all roses. The market is currently under intense selling pressure, and with a 20% drop in the last 7 days, caution is still warranted. But if history has taught us anything in the crypto world, it's that after a heavy sell-off, consolidation moves like these might be the calm before a storm of upward momentum. It's a classic case of buy the dip, but only if you're comfortable with the volatility. Zooming out a bit, this whale move isn't occurring in a vacuum. The broader cryptocurrency market has been extremely volatile lately. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain in the spotlight, XRP's recent developments are drawing more institutional attention. The fact that XRP is now outperforming its bigger siblings in terms of weekly inflows is a notable trend, signaling that even in bearish times, there's a shifting interest toward alternative cryptocurrencies with strong underlying tech and network activity. For those of you who follow the technical metrics, keep an eye on these weekly active address numbers. An all-time high of 1.15 million active addresses isn't something you see every day. It tells us that while the price might be under pressure, the network is buzzing with activity, which is a positive sign for any cryptocurrency aiming to make a comeback. In many ways, This is similar to what we saw in previous market cycles, where a drop in price was eventually followed by a strong and resilient recovery. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think this massive XRP whale move signifies? Is it a clever consolidation strategy ahead of a massive rally, or should we be wary of an impending OTC dump? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Your insights and questions help make this community so dynamic and informed. Also, if you're enjoying these deep dives and the latest crypto updates, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Trust me, you'll want to be in the loop as we continue to track these market moves and break down what they mean for your portfolio. Before we wrap up, I want to remind everyone that this video is for informational purposes only. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, today's XRP whale move has ignited a wave of speculation, from potential consolidation ahead of a bullish breakout to the possibility of a strategic OTC trade. Regardless of which scenario unfolds, it's clear that XRP is at a crossroads, and how this plays out could provide significant insights into the broader market's direction. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor these developments and bring you the latest updates. I'm Zaki, and you've been watching Zaki Crypto Update. Until next time, keep your eyes on the charts, and may your trades be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching. For more insightful crypto news, market trends, and analysis, be sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts and predictions below, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended as financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.